Hey guys, looks like we're getting filled right now. I just turned on the camera to let you guys know the trading plan. So here we are. Okay, we're targeting up here. We have a conditional limit for working as a stop right here. Okay, we're getting partially filled here because we have a limit. Okay, I see what's going on here. Okay, we're getting filled. Pretty good. Okay, so we're getting filled up to 20 on this breakout right here. This is a double bottom. I'm going to explain to you the setup. Let me just manage everything right here. So we have an active limit order to take profits, close long right there. That's up there. That's 2. We need to change the quantity. So we're going to have to go ahead and adjust that. But for the stop, we definitely need to change the quantity because we have 20 active. So let's change it to 20. Let's do that like this. Order submitted successfully. The stop is now for 20. So now let's change the TP over here. We have a limit for 2 at 38650. Let's cancel that. And let's put in a limit order for 20 at 38700 to reduce only. So a limit at a price above price, reduce only to sell here is going to be our TP, right? So we have that limit up there at 38,700. So now we have, there you go, it's a close long for 20, 38,700. So at that price, it will trigger that limit, okay? So that's how we do that. Just been figuring this out to better avoid fees. This is our conditional price. It's going to act as a limit stop. To do that, we had to come to conditional and put in a limit order here. And to do that on Bybit, we need to come to this and switch it to one-way mode from hedge mode, okay? It's very important to make sure you have enough margin in your account to be able to fill the order, because this order down here, these orders are going to function as, you know, opposite orders. Instead of stop loss, you can see there's no TP or stop loss here. So these are just functioning as orders. They're going to close your position, but you need margin to fulfill them, okay? So that's why I'm here and isolated, and I've upped the margin. So I'm using less margin to have the current size position, and I have more margin available to fill these other positions, okay? So just make sure you're clear about that. Okay, looks like we're trying to break out here. Let's go ahead and talk about the pattern. I had my analysis here. This was a double bottom that I saw. We had structured lows right here. Maybe shorts down there would be interesting. But then the double bottom broke the neckline and made a top, and it was pulling on back. So I said, hey, I'm interested in the pullback. So I opened a little starter position here. We got to the 61.8 fib, giving us a 2618 trade on the double bottom. What we did here interested me on the 30-minute chart. We pulled back from the double bottom and we printed this bullish engulfing candle. Okay, so I opened my starter position, and then I've been adding a little bit. I did add when we broke this wick high right here, so on this candle, and I did add, as you just saw this video starting, when we broke the highs here of the, you know, the all-time high. So this is the current breakout candle. We're trying to break out now, and so that's why I did add up to my position. Targets, well, we got structure highs up here, but we do have a bit of a problem area before that, so it's not going to be a clean riding. We have this area right here where we've come down and found support twice. So, you know, this is a bit of a range to play with. Right here we have 0.6%. We're at 38,700, so we're right above this range right now for our TPs. Let's go ahead and kind of move this down a bit to cover this range. Okay, so that's a limit. Let's make sure again. I just want to get this all kind of down. Closing long at 38633. Okay, so 38633. That's that area. It's looking pretty good. Okay, so we're on the way up. Let's see what happens here. We are breaking out now. I would like to move my stops to below the current breakout candle, pretty much a break-even trade there. So that's the conditional. Let's see what's going to happen now. 38305. We're going to trigger this, and then we have an order price of 38177. We need to update the order price because this is going to be a limit order. So 38305, 38295. $10 below. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do because it's gonna be a limit order, so we're gonna sell at this price or higher. So put a little gap there. Okay, so we're on the way up. 38640. Let's just check 38640. We'd be on pace for 6400. So we're coming up on the problem area of these wicks, right? These wicks here, okay? So this is kind of the first, if we can break through this, we should have a kind of a clear right up to this area, okay? Let's let the breakout candle do its thing. Let's let it flourish. You know, it's gonna reverse, we're gonna stop out because we don't want a reversal breakout candle, okay? You know, 38667 here, this area where we have our TPs, 38646 is kind of, 3864, it's kind of the, you know, the neckline of this double top here, right? We kind of have a double top here, and this is a pullback, right? So it's the reverse 2618 trade here. 618 is going to come in at 38597. So what I like here to go towards our targets is that we printed this morning star now on the 4-hour time frame. This just closed 5 minutes ago, so pretty nice. Okay, and now we're making higher highs. We should continue towards our targets, right? And you can see all these wicks problem area in the left as well as this wick, but we should get decent continuation here. Doesn't always happen immediately. That's why we have our stop below the breakout candle, right? This is an area. You see the shaded rectangle we have? This is the breakout area. Hey guys, so we just closed this candle, not our favorite candle. So we came up in this area that we predicted was a problem area right here, these wicks, this wick down here, and we did close a bit of a wick and reject this area, but we still closed above the high here, establishing a bit of a breakout candle for me. So the game plan is not changing. All right guys, here we go. We made a new high. Looks like we just hit some stops. We just exploded through here, liquidated some shorts here, and let's see if we can get to our goal. I'm gonna come a little closer here. And looks like we are about to hit these targets. I'm gonna go ahead and move my stop. And we're getting filled here, taking profits. Beautiful. So let's cancel this conditional order and we're done. Beautiful. $6,163. All right guys, so hope you enjoyed that. We're done for the day. That's it. We'll be back tomorrow. Maybe we'll be back around 3 if there's something good around stock times, but that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. This was a double bottom play. We had our levels mapped out. We opened the starter on the pullback because of the 30-minute time frame here. You know, we were pulling back to the, you know, well, we opened the starter when we printed this inside bar candle stick. And then on a 30-minute time frame, I got confirmation when we broke these structure highs right here. We added to the position a little bit, and then we really added when we broke out for the structure highs here. It took just 2 candles, and we took profits at this problem area. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed it. If you enjoyed that, check out all my videos from last week, Monday through Friday. I'm making these day trading documentary review videos, live trading. As I'm trading, I'm filming and then putting it out for you guys so you guys have the analysis. All right guys, much love, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.